Hello everyone, my name is G. Shankar, Senior Regional Manager from Yamazen Missionary. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Brothers PDO S700 BD1. So this machine has got 10,000 RPM with 800 by 400 table size. Z axis 300 mm, Y axis 400 mm, and X axis 700 mm. So this has got a capability of 4th, 5th axis interface. We can use it as a 5 axis simultaneous machine. This machine been used for high productivity and high accuracy and consistency. Yamazen Machinery and Tools India Private Limited is a 100% subsidiary of Yamazen Corporation, Japan, with headquarters in Osaka. In India, we are more than 2 decades. So we are associated with Brother, Citizen, and other premium machine tool products for more than 2 decades in India, and in Japan since 1947. We supply the high precision, high productivity, high rigidity machines as a total solution provider at customer side. We also supply the toolings and the accessories which is needed for the turnkey projects as a single entity.